Kevin, from a investor standpoint, healthcare, biotech can be challenging, but also very rewarding sectors. What do you look for in companies in these areas?
Always first, what problem is it solving and how big is that market? This is a huge market. I mean, this is, you think about it, particularly in the focus on longevity defined by mental health and mobility. There's billions of dollars going into this space now because America's aging. And all of a sudden, all kinds of people are worried about those two things, mobility and cognitive health. That's the essence of where this drive is. And mobility, I mean, you can't have longevity without mobility. You have to be able to move and exercise. And so the extent that this saves a hip, that in itself would be huge. And, or cartilage or a knee or an elbow. I mean, or, a shoulder. Just think about it. All of the complaints that people have after they turn 50 maybe have genetic deterioration because some people never need hip replacements and others do. But there's generally a lot of decline going on. And if this could, it's much better than the procedures that are often offered now because they're very invasive and they're damned expensive. And the recovery time, particularly for knee joints or shoulders, brutal, just brutal. So I think there'll be a lot of interest in this. It sounds promising. And if you're interested in this space, in this sector, and why wouldn't you be? Because, I mean, this is going to be in the news for the next, I don't know how many years. I mean, it's really driven by the economics of the situation we find ourselves in. This would save a lot of money and a lot of pain. And that's a nice cocktail to be an investor in.